Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good evening. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. You can find this in Google Play Store and Apple Store in the app. Okay. My next necrological video is about more on cemetery that is found in Taguig. Yes, in Taguig City. It's a private cemetery. It's what they call this? High level. What do I mean high level? It's rich, rich people. Because to be honestly speaking, this is more on to those who are lost their loved ones. High level, high level. Because mostly loved ones who are died are they are building mausoleum to their loved ones. Okay, so this is about the heritage park. Yes, the heritage park. By the way, the title of this video is about the heritage park in Taguig City. By the way, are you familiar with Bonifacio Global City or BGC? If you're familiar in BGC or Bonifacio Global City, that's in Taguig. Reminder, don't be confused. This is far from libingan ng mga bayani because these two cemeteries are in Taguig City. Libingan ng bayani is more on lost loved ones who are former or in service of soldiers, military officials. But this is more on private notable persons who are buried in Heritage Park that is found in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. Taguig City, Metro Manila. Okay, what are the details that I would like to say? This is about a 67-hectare memorial lot. This is studied feasible and it is studied carefully by feng shui experts. Feng shui experts kasi ni-review nila yan bago nila ibili ang lot. Kaya very feasible siya. At walang problema sa distance. Kung saan ang libing, saan ang direction. So, yun. You're gonna love this video because itong video na to is very remarkable. I'll only say it once. Isang beses ko lang sasabihin. Wala nang special request. Itong video na ito. By the way, kung kayo ay may kamag-anak or yung wala na mahanap na cemetery, this is the best cemetery, Heritage Park. By the way, sino yung mga nilibing? Steve, itong binanggit mong video, mga artista lang yan. Yes, tama kayo. Sino yung mga artista o yung mga sikat na tao, mga namatay? If you remember, Dolphy, yung Comedy King, doon siya nilibing. Rudy Fernandez, yung papa ni Mark Anthony Fernandez, doon nilibing. Rico J. Puno, OPM singer, Filipino icon singer, Rico J. Puno. Attorney Frank Chavez, yung mabagsik na abogado, siya din yun. Former Chief Justice Renato Corona, doon din nilibing. Yung gumanap ng Palos, yung Filipino actor Bernard Bonin, yung papa ni Charlene Gonzalez, doon din nilibing. Papa ni Cristina Gonzalez Romualdez, Jose Marie Gonzalez, yung nasa Columbarium, Heritage Park din yan. So ito mga nabanggit ko, these are notable persons. Meron pang isa, yung may-ari ng at yung nagtatag ng SM Shoemart, Henry C. Sr. These are only examples. These are the notable persons. Yung may kaya, potential. Hindi yan basta-basta. I'm gonna tell you. By the way, ito is more on pero meron couples, husband and wife, sabay. Tapos iba't ibang colors, may gray, may red, meron I think green, meron sinabing green. Maraming mausoleums kayo makikita. Magagandang designs. Very fine architecture design. Hindi basta-bastang design lang yan. I'm gonna tell you. Tapos columbarium, yan. Meron silang specialty. Halimbawa, ayan nila yung libing, diretso lala ikrimi, tapos ipapasok sa columbarium. Yan, meron din sila. They are allowed to cater columbarium. So I hope that this video will catch up on attention. And once I end this video, please share it to your friends and relatives who would like to buried in the Heritage Park located at Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, Taguig City, Metro Manila. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Good evening. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next archaeological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good evening.